ma'am, may kwento kayo sa akin yung your days in the cabinet and of President BBM, ano? Parang kwento nyo nga ho, was it memorable experience for you? Sabi niyo may observations kayo na masipag, nagbabasa. How was it? How does President BBM conduct his cabinet meetings? How does he comport himself as president? How does he study? How does he work to look at papers before saying something on cam? Ikwento nyo nga, anong klase yung naging yung karanasan sa loob ng cabinet?
Yeah, I'll talk about the first couple, no? Una muna si President. Remember, I don't know them from, well, I knew them as senator siya, governor, etc., but very distant, no? And therefore, I knew only about them because of what I read in the papers. I got to know the president close hand because of the cabinet meeting and because we had many conversations before he designated me as his national security advisor. You know, for your listeners, Malu, please, wag niyo pong minosin si President. The President reads and reads a lot. In one cabinet meeting, he was talking about blockchain technology. And I look around the room, parang ilang piraso lang kami nakakaintindi ng sinasabi niya. No? Ako nga, ang tagal-tagal ko maluna kung ano-anong binabasa ko dahil hindi ko siya naiintindihan. So, ang presidente po natin, binimenos niyo sa dahil sinasabi niyo wala siyang natapos. Hindi po. The president reads, no? Believe ako talaga sa energy ng president. Minsan, 4 na oras yung cabinet namin. Actually, kami kain ng mga merienda, etc. President hindi kumakain, no? In fact, ang payat-payat na nga niya, parang nakasampay sa kanya yung kanyang, yung polo jack niya, no? And what else I discovered? Malumanay siya magsalita, di ba? No? He's a very decent person. No? He's a very decent person. And meron akong, minsan after the cabinet meeting, I approach him. Ang sarap niyang kausapin, hindi ko pa nga siya nagalit sa cabinet na kung ako, meron na akong rason para magalit, alam mo naman yung aking very impatient. But the president is a very decent person. Sana po, let's help him now succeed, no? Tulungan po natin mag-succeed ang presidente natin. Huwag na lang kayong puro batikos.